Hello, I am Esther. Welcome to my kitchen here in Italy. As a YouTube viewer, I noticed that there are a lot of channels that propose Italian recipes made in Italian for Italians, and some other that propose recipes made by people from other countries that pretend to be Italians but are just with imitations. In my channel, I would like to share with you the traditional recipes of my family. Traditional dishes from all regions of Italy. In short words, what I usually cook for my family, together with some notes about ingredients and the place of origin. The Italian cuisine is not just pasta and pizza. There are really a lot more. Then, please follow me and I will show you how I do. Enjoy!